I got this tin pan from the Dollar Tree, and it's about 9 inches in diameter, and I grabbed some Rust-Oleum chalked Serenity Blue spray paint, and with a mask on, I just sprayed the outside of the tin pan. I gave it about 2 coats, and once that was dry, I found this metal ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It's $5.99, and it's a 9-foot roll. And I measured about 16 inches and cut 4 pieces at 16 inches long. Now, if you grab a bigger pan, then you'll just cut a longer piece of metal. But there was plenty here on my roll. Once I had 4 of those cut, I then took my metal shears and I just cut those in half. These metal shears are perfect for cutting this type of material, and I also like them for my wooden popsicle sticks. Once I cut all of those, I had a total of 8 pieces. And using some E6000 and a little bit of hot glue, I attached the 8 pieces around the 9-inch diameter. Now, the E6000 is definitely a more industrial type glue, so it'll be a better hold, but I like the hot glue with it because then as the E6000 is drying, it is held in place by the hot glue. So that is why you may see us use 2 separate types of glue at times. I allowed this to sit overnight. So once everything was dry, I took a silver knob that I had, and starting with one of the pieces of metal that we attached to the 9-inch pan, I just started putting the bolt on the knob through the top hole on the metal ribbon. And I just tucked them all underneath. And then I used a nut to secure everything in place. And you can see that the bolt hung over a little bit, so then I took my bolt cutters to cut any extra off. And you can just push down on the top knob there, and then you can create yourself a cute crown and display whatever you want inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a good day.